we had a little bit of sunshine, still kind of bright outside, and I'm still doing the coronavirus spending. So, interior of the Z4M, I love the ergonomics of the interior, it feels amazing, but I think that it could do with a little bit of a lift. I have bought some, or I have got some new seats to go in the car. They're not quite fitting how I want, so I'm leaving the stock items in for the moment until I really find it's got to be right with the interior of the car. So I don't want anything touching the door cards, because it's quite a narrow interior. Then touching the door cards, and I don't want anything damaged. Anyway, let's have a look at these diamond mats. Actually, I've opened the box, but I actually haven't opened these out. Yeah, man, these look wicked. So I went with the black with the diamond stitch. Looking forward to putting these in the car. So let me do a little close up for you so you can see what these look like. So, as you can see, really nicely constructed. It's going to go up the side of the sill area, and again, really nicely put together. I'm looking forward to putting these in the car, which I'm going to go and do now. So let's get the car out, let's get them in, and let's see what we think. Okay guys, we got bright skies, so let's have a look. Driver side, fitment was a bit of a pain in the bum. Initially I actually thought that they may have sent the wrong model, but there is quite a heavy bump here, so you have to move around the clips. It does come with these additional clips which clip on here and then have their own little, let's see if I can get that one. Can you see that there? So they've got their own little, so you just slide up like that. So as you can see, let's do it again because I don't think you saw that. So it's got a sliding piece there, and you can pretty much adjust those as you want. Fitment's pretty good, pretty goddamn good. I'm not going to say it's perfect, but it's definitely right up there. Put it no worse than stock. So as you can see, fits really nicely. So let's go over to this side. Again, great fitment. I've used some additional clips. Comes with some Velcro, so I've Velcroed this piece. I mean, the difference to the interior though is just huge. Definitely would recommend. Bit fiddly to fit in. This side was easy, that side was a pain in the bum. Like I say, didn't think I'd quite got the right, or they'd sent the right ones initially. So let's have a little look. As you can see, footrest is good. There's no hindrance of the pedals. So that's the mat. Let's do a little walk around of the car. It's not often I get it out at the moment. Again, excuse it, it's really dirty. Hasn't been washed since last year, quite a long time ago, probably about 6-7 months ago. I've just managed to get it back on the road, so I'll be getting it taxed shortly, so it will be heading over to my workshop to have some work done. But let's have a little look at the details. So we've got semi-slick tires, AP Racing 6-pot brakes all round. We've got composite, lightweight composite wheel nuts. I don't know if we can see those in there. You might be able to. KW Club Sports. Here's the rear setup. RPI Race. large bore exhaust, 100 cell race cats. We've got the stack gauges which data log back to a data logger in there. I don't know why I put that in there, it's a total waste of money, I've never used it. So got these custom supercharged emblems made. Car's done very low miles, owned it from pretty much brand new, about 900 miles I believe, give or take a little bit. Put it this way, the running in service was done with me. Here's the engine bay. The car's won a few awards now. Last one was 2018, where it won the Auto Glim concourse. And as you can see, it's pretty, to me this is just my pride and joy. It's pretty special. Although it hasn't done very many miles, the track, it's had a few excursions off the track. Luckily nothing was damaged, but it has spent a lot of time on the track, so despite the low miles, it really has been enjoyed as on the track. Yeah, so it's just a bit of a toy really. Let's see if we can turn it on. And there we have it, lots and lots of mods, absolutely pretty much no stone unturned. We've got the engine mounts, we've got just everything, poly bushes, pretty much all round. There's just literally nothing. Strengthened drive shafts. This is the ESS2 kit with some little extras that we've done, that I've done. We've got custom oil catch can with its own dipstick, which is cool. It's just beautiful, I love it, it's just my pride and joy. M3 260M wheels, OEM. We've got the OEM side kind of splashes, which I cut down from a BMW M5. They are OEM 3M pieces. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to getting it in the studio, giving it a good detail, and I'll do some real detailed videos on it as well. I'll do some drive-bys, do some drive shots, do some oh, that sounds cool, and just do some yeah, I'm going to do lots of content with this, so keep your eyes peeled if you're interested. And thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, I'd really appreciate that. Thank you guys.